Do you know that tipo? Hi everyone, the word of the day is tipo. Tipo. Tipo is a Spanish noun and it means kind, sort, or type. Tipo is a masculine noun and the plural form is tipos. Tipos. Now let's see a few examples. Él es el tipo de chico que me gusta. Él es el tipo de chico que me gusta. Ella es mi tipo. Ella es mi tipo. Ese tipo de películas no me gustan. Ese tipo de películas no me gustan. Me gusta este tipo de revistas. Me gusta este tipo de revistas. In some situations, tipo can refer to a person. When tipo refers to a person, that person can be a woman or a man. In this situation, tipo is masculine and tipa is feminine. The plural form is tipos or tipas. Be careful because when you refer to someone as tipo, it can be a little disrespectful. So, use tipo with caution. Now, let's see a few examples. ¿Conoces a esa tipa? ¿Conoces a esa tipa? Un tipo se me acercó y me empezó a hablar. Un tipo se me acercó y me empezó a hablar. ¿Qué tipos tan molestos? ¿Qué tipos tan molestos? Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, leave me more examples down below using tipo. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!